Hi, I'm Terry with Puro3, and I'm excited to tell you about our ozone-infused coconut oil. We start with 100% organic coconut oil and infuse it with high-purity ozone, which creates a creamy, smooth, but solid moisturizer that absorbs incredibly well and can be used to create more radiant skin and improve its overall look. Ozone is an all-natural substance known for its powerful antimicrobial properties. Combined with coconut oil, it creates an easy-to-use topical. Ozone-infused coconut oil is a rich, soothing emollient that helps moisturize and soften the skin. It's well suited for daily use on the face or other delicate areas, leaving your skin refreshed and nourished. Ozone-infused coconut oil maintains a cream-like solid consistency at room temperature. Above this temperature, it may thin out and become more liquid. This is completely normal and is especially common during the summer months. Just place your jar of ozone-infused coconut oil in the refrigerator to cool, and it will return to its typical consistency. At Puro3, you get the best nature has to offer. Our products are crafted in a state-of-the-art facility with organic, plant-based ingredients, free from harsh, unnecessary additives. To protect freshness and potency, each item is carefully stored cold until it ships to you. While refrigeration isn't necessary, keeping your products chilled can help preserve their quality long-term. If you've never tried ozone-infused coconut oil, it's recognized for its medicinal, nutty, and electric scent. We package it in a 2-ounce glass jar for easy application. Discover how Puro3's ozone-infused coconut oil can enhance your daily skincare routine today. Simple, safe, and pure. Wellness powered by ozone.